Kover. What is Kover? What up, YouTube? It's your boy Jermaine back with another video. And guys, I thought I would talk about Kover because believe it or not, I heard about Kover like 2 weeks ago, like in the streets. Like a guy on a bike was like, "Yo, what up, Jermaine? You heard about Kover? It's like this membership deal where like if you get in trouble, you can fall back on them if you're on the apps." And he wasn't really making a lot of sense, and it was windy outside. I wasn't really paying him that much attention. And then a couple days later, I bumped into someone at Target, right? You know, shopping. I was looking for some bread, trying to make some Beyond Burgers, you know. And this dude bumped into me. He was like, "Yo, you heard about Kover?" And I was like, "No, I haven't heard about it." So shout out to Kover for, you know, sponsoring this video. But anyway, I thought I would just go to the website and just talk about Kover and just let you guys know. You know, it's going to be one of those sit down type videos. We're just going to talk about this one and see what it's all about. So first off, here's the site here. Now, this is for gig workers, and it's like benefits for gig workers. Now, this is not like insurance or anything, but it's sort of like it's a membership program, and they can do things like, you know, help you out if you get like, you know, deactivated and stuff like that. So it works for pretty much all of the platforms, DoorDash, Instacart, Nolo. I don't think many people know about Nolo. Amazon Flex, Lyft, Ship, Grubhub, Postmates, Uber, and the one that's about to leave us, Caviar. It's about to leave very, very soon, unfortunately. But basically what you do is you come here and you get a quote. I think you know, they want to know like stuff like how much money you make and like how often do you work. Like, are you the type of person like you always working, you make like 2 racks a week? Or are you the type of person like, you know, you don't work that much and, you know, maybe you make like, you know, $700 a week, you know? So they'll like, you know, you got to give them a little bit more information and they'll give you some more information, you know? So this is basically like guaranteed income. So Kover will replace up to 80% of your lost income if you can't work due to hospitalization, temporary account deactivation, or post-collision repairs. Now, for example, let's say you're driving your car, right? And you're doing Amazon Flex. You out there trying to deliver them packages because, man, so many people ordering packages now because of this coronavirus, you know. But you out there, you know, you got a whole bunch of packages in your car, man. You riding down the street, listening to some music, and all of a sudden you crash your car, right? And it take like, you know, a week to get your car back. You know, maybe they just messed up the bumper. You need a new bumper and like you need a tire or something. And they got to order a tire from like China or Japan or somewhere, you know, long way away. But you got to wait like a week or like maybe 10 days. So what Kover gonna do, what Kover is gonna do is they're gonna like basically like take an average, you know what I mean? Like, and they're gonna give you some money, you know, so you won't be just out struggling and, you know, you won't be, you know, trying to get unemployment for like 1 week or 10 days. You know what I mean? They're going to take care of you. You know what I'm saying? So let's go over to, you know, sick leave. So like if you get sick, right? So basically if you don't feel well, you can borrow money from your Kover account up to $300. And, you know, you can like take a couple days off, you know. Some people make $300 a day. Some people make $100 a day. So I guess like if you get sick and, you know, like, okay, for example, let's say like it's the end of the month, right? It's the 31st and you got to pay your rent like the next day, right? And you get sick. So like, you don't want to work the 31st, but you need like $200 more to pay your rent. Kover got you, yo. You know, you can, you know, get $200 from them. And then you got, you know, a couple weeks before you pay it back. You know, so, you know, you'll be straight. Like, instead of going out trying to work when you sick, you know, you got a headache, maybe your nose running, you know, maybe you coughing, you know what I mean? Instead of just going out, you know, working, not feeling good, you can just stay at the house. You know, you can make some rice, drink some orange juice. You can watch some Netflix. You know, you can just feel better, you know? You can have that peace of mind that, like, you don't have to jump up and down. Like, you can just relax, you know, and you can just pay the little money back, you know? So that's another way they're going to help take care of you. You know, this is 24/7 health. So like you can speak to a health professional. Like if you get, you know, if you feel sick or something like that, you can go talk to someone without a deductible. So this is pretty cool. Tax, they're going to help you out with your taxes, yo. So basically, you know, they're going to help you save money on your taxes. Now, I don't know, some people, maybe you have a tax person and your tax person helps you save money with your taxes. Or maybe you don't have a tax person and you're doing your own taxes because maybe you just drive for Uber, right? And you just do your own taxes, because if you just drive for Uber and you don't have like a lot of other statements, like it's kind of easy to just do your own taxes, Like it kind of gets tricky when you have like a bunch of statements, like, you've been driving for Uber, Lyft, Postmates, TaskRabbit, Amazon Flex, you got a Robinhood account, you got Stash account, you got a whole bunch of accounts, you working for random jobs. Then it kind of gets crazy, but like I know some people, they only got like one job and they just do their taxes themselves. And sometimes you can miss out on like a lot of like, deductions and stuff like that. So with Kover, they're gonna take care of you, even with the legal, So basically, y'all know how people get deactivated from platforms all the time. And sometimes you can get deactivated from a platform and, like you try to send an email because something went wrong. Like you didn't even give your side of the story. Maybe you dropped the food off to the customer and the customer said that you did something and they never even told you, like, why you even getting deactivated? Like, they'll just say, like, oh, you broke our terms and condition, They didn't tell you, like, no, we're deactivating you because you stole the food or someone accused you of stealing the food. So basically, like, with Kover, they're going to help you out. They're going to, they may send a lawyer. They're going to take care of the legal fees. You ain't got to, dig deep in your pockets, Because right now, a lot of people going through hard times and people ain't got, like, deep pockets, So Kover, they can help you out, They can, like, you down and out, man, they gonna get you. And they got some things coming soon. Like, see, you'll be able to view all your gig earnings in one place, with AI driven analysis, So like, they got some more things coming for you. I mean, this is a pretty cool one. I'm gonna sign up, because you never know. Like, you might be out, delivering some food for DoorDash, riding your bike, delivering a big bag of Indian food that weighed 25 pounds, and you might be in San Francisco riding down in Soma or the financial district. And y'all know how it is riding around in Soma or the financial district. Like, it's like off-roading, You got your big bag of Indian food that weighed 25 pounds and you hit a pothole, because San Francisco full of potholes, yo. Then you hit a pothole and then you crash your bike and you spill the Indian food and you wearing your helmet, your head hit the ground, like you scratch yourself, man, like so many things can happen. So like, you got to think about these things, you might want to sit at home for a couple of days and a week or so. And, you can get your money, still get your money without doing no unemployment and all that. So Kover got you, yo. They got you. They're going to take care of you, collision repairs, Let's see what this is all about. So, when your vehicle, oh, yeah. Okay, I already went over this one. So, yeah, this is collision repairs, deactivations. They got you. So I got a link in the description, okay? I got a link. Once again, shout out to Kover. Like, I like the fact that, they gave me a link and I can help spread the word, because people are telling me about this and I was just like, no, I ain't heard about this app yet. This is a new one, yo. I mean, it's always something new coming out, Like, it's always something new coming out. So it's another one to get excited for. You guys can check it out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you guys new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I'm always doing something wild and crazy and I don't know. Like, anyway, I'm out. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out, yo.